Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Hi children, in today's conversation, we are going to talk and discuss about answering a telephone. You are in a particular office, how you answer, connect other people and to get what they want. Answering correctly. Alright, that's what answering a telephone. Most of the time, we are not answering and connecting people. So we got to be careful. So here is Amy at the office and taking the telephone. Hello, is this Suntech? I'm John. So here is Amy taking the call. Hello. Hello. Is this? John is making an inquiry, okay? Is this Suntech? Is this Suntech? I am. I'm John. I'm John Watt. I'm John Watts. So here is John taking the phone and says, hello, is this Suntech? I'm John Watt. And there Amy answering at the call. She says, yes, this is Suntech. What can I do for you? Yes. Yes, this is. This is Suntech. What can I do for you? What can I do for you, John? What can I? What can I do for you, John? So here is Amy answering. Or Amy could have said, yes, this is Suntech. John, what is it you want from here? Whatever. Madam, could you please connect me to Arthur? So he's requesting Amy to connect him to Arthur. Madam, could you please connect me? Could you please connect me to Arthur? Please connect me to Arthur in the marketing department. In the marketing department. Marketing department. Madam, could you please connect me to Arthur in the marketing department? That's what he's requesting for. And here, let's see what she has to say. Sure, John, I'll do so. Please hold on. Sure, John, I'll do. Please hold on. Or please be on the line. Please be on the line. Okay, so she's trying to find Arthur, put Arthur on the line to talk to John. She's trying to help out. Yes, Amy, please connect the line to marketing department. Sure, John, I'll do so. Please be on the line. Yes, Amy. Connect me. Connect the line. Yes, Amy, connect the line So she's given instruction to another person. Connect the line to marketing. Connect this line, or connect the line, or connect this line to marketing department. All right? Yes, I'll do so. So immediately the reception says, yes, I shall. I shall do it. Then, hello. Then she connects the line and says, hello. Is this marketing? Is this marketing? Is this marketing department? Is this marketing department? Please. Please connect. Please connect the line. Please connect the line to Mr. Arthur. So the receptionist is asking, she connects to department, marketing, and then she says, at the marketing, she is asking to be, the line to be given to Arthur, Mr. Arthur. Yes. And Arthur responds, yes, Arthur speaking. Arthur speaking. Yes, Arthur speaking. Then the reception says, please hold on. Arthur speaking. Then she says, please hold on. John is on the other line. Please hold on. Please hold on. John would like to talk to you. John would like. John would like. John would like to talk to you. To talk to you. So she's trying to connect Arthur and John. Then Arthur says, Amy, please ask John to wait and call me after 10 minutes. So Amy gets a message. Amy, please ask John. Please ask Mr. John. Please ask Mr. John to wait. To wait and call. To wait and call me. Call me after half hour. Half an hour. I am busy at a meeting. I am busy at an important meeting. I am busy at an important meeting. Okay, so she passes the message and says, Mr. John, Arthur is busy attending to some urgent calls. Call after half hour. So the receptionist, Amy, passes the message. Mr. John, Mr. John, Mr. Arthur, Mr. Arthur is busy Mr. Arthur is busy attending to some urgent Mr. Arthur is busy attending an urgent meeting. So kindly call him after half hour, and the conversation goes on. In today's conversation, we are talking about answering the call. Someone asks you for someone, and then you connect the person, trying to connect that person to people who want to talk. Let's see what I have here for you. Let us read together. Hello, is this Suntech? I am John Watts. Yes, this is Suntech. What can I do for you, John? Madam, could you please connect me to Arthur in the marketing department? Sure, John, I'll do so. Please be on the line. Yes, Amy, connect the line to marketing department. Yes, I shall do it. Hello, is this marketing department? Please connect the line to Mr. Arthur. Yes, Mr. Arthur speaking. Please hold on. John would like to talk to you. Amy, please ask Mr. John to wait and call me after half an hour. I am busy at an important meeting. Mr. John, Mr. Arthur is busy attending to an urgent meeting.